Hi, this is Jorg Ahoy, licensed acupuncturist with LA Sports Acupuncture. Today I'd like to talk about some of the really common questions I hear about acupuncture, things I hear all the time. So one of the big questions is about safety and hygiene. Are the needles clean? Do you reuse them? The answer is that acupuncture needles are classified by the FDA as a Class 2 medical device. That means that they are considered to be safe and effective medical instruments. They are sterile, disposable, one-time use. We don't reuse them. Once upon a time, they reused acupuncture needles. They were cleaned with autoclave. We don't do that anymore. I don't even know where you could buy those. They are all disposable, one-time use. So each needle is used one time. You insert it, remove it, dispose of it in a sharps container. That is then disposed of as medical waste. So there's nothing to worry about regarding cleanliness and sterility. The needles are sterile. This is a little packet of needles. These are sterile. If there's any left over after a treatment, I'm going to dispose of the rest to avoid any risk of contamination. So the next big question really is, does it hurt? This is the one you hear all the time. Does it hurt? Does it hurt? And the answer is not really. Many people have this negative association with needles because of getting shots, when we're kids. The big difference, though, between acupuncture needles and a hypodermic needle, the main one is that hypodermic needles hurt because they're going into blood vessels. And blood vessels have a lot of the nerves that sense pain. Obviously, they're going in with that needle into the blood vessel because they want to put something in or draw a sample out for testing. Acupuncture needles are not going into blood vessels generally. We're going into muscles or into the space in between things, into joints. And those structures just don't have the level of pain sensitivity as blood vessels do. They're not innervated for that. Another big reason that acupuncture needles don't hurt in contrast to hypodermic needles is the size. They are very small. Very, very tiny little, can you even see it? It's tiny. You can actually stuff a number of these needles into the hole in a hypodermic syringe. That's how small they are. Generally, you might feel a little prick as it goes through the skin. The skin has more pain sensitivity. That goes in fast, though, so you generally don't feel that too much. And then once it goes in, you might feel a muscle twitch. You might feel some unusual, like a sinking sensation or something vaguely electric. But generally, it really doesn't hurt. Sometimes it can be intense, but it's really not, it's not like needles. It's not really what you're scared of. So thank you very much for watching. Thanks for your time. If you have any questions, please contact me. Email, social media, I'm very available. Otherwise, please comment, like, share, all that. I would appreciate that greatly. And let me know if you have anything you would like to see me talk about. Thanks.